She begs for her life in vain, as nearby, the little girl sobs at the violent scene. A week later, a diver finds the headless body of the young woman in the ocean with a series of letters and numbers marked on her hand. She's identified as the latest victim of a serial killer known as the Headhunter. In England 1 year later, a scientist named Daniel Lee gives a lecture in which he mentions that he's identified a gene that's present in the DNA of psychopaths, a personality disorder characterized by lack of empathy for others. Daniel predicts that soon, we will be able to predict whether an unborn child might be a murderer based simply on the presence of this gene. Daniel is called back to Korea by the president, who is determined to stop the Headhunter's 18th body-killing spree. Daniel gives a speech about his DNA findings, including the fact that 1% of people with the psychopath gene become murderers. Unfortunately, his test only has a 99% success rating, with the other 1% of detected genes denoting that the person will be a genius. The problem is that the genes for genius and psychopath are too similar for Daniel to differentiate. This means that, in the effort to eliminate psychopaths, potential geniuses would also be killed. The issue on the table is whether the government can force a mother to have an abortion if the psychopath gene is detected, and ultimately the proposal is shot down.